Today we're talking about the SUVs most people overlook, quiet hidden gems that can rack up big mileage without turning your life into a repair bill nightmare. These are the kind of used SUVs you buy once, maintain properly, and keep for years. If you want the biggest hidden gem brute force SUV on this list, the 2018 Toyota Sequoia is it. This is the kind of full-size SUV that's built with old-school Toyota toughness, big body, big drivetrain, and a reputation for surviving years of heavy family use without falling apart. The Sequoia's main appeal is simple. It's not a delicate, high-tech crossover. It feels like a real truck-based SUV, which is why people trust it for long-term ownership. You get tons of space for passengers and cargo, a tall driving position with great visibility, and a platform that handles rough roads and bad weather without feeling fragile. In 2025, it still makes a lot of sense for big families or anyone who needs real room and wants reliability more than flashy features. If your goal is buy used, drive forever, the 2018 Sequoia is one of the safest full-size bets you can make. If you asked a mechanic, what's the most tank-like luxury SUV you can buy used in 2025? The 2021 Lexus GX460 is one of the easiest answers. This is basically the SUV for people who want the toughness of an old-school truck, but they also want a quiet cabin, comfortable seats, and that premium Lexus feeling every time they close the door. The GX doesn't chase trendy crossover behavior. It sticks to the same core idea it's always had. Built strong, built simple, built to last. From the outside, the 2021 GX460 looks clean, upscale, and expensive in a mature way. It's not trying to look futuristic. It has that squared-off, confident shape that says real SUV, not soft city crossover. The stance is tall, the body lines are straightforward, and it still looks sharp in 2025 because Lexus didn't design it around temporary styling trends. It's the kind of SUV that looks like it belongs anywhere. Nice neighborhoods, business parking lots, family driveways, and it still carries that premium presence. Open the door, and you instantly understand why GX owners keep them for years. The seats are wide, soft, and supportive, built for long trips, not just quick errands. The driving position is relaxed and confidence-inspiring. You sit high enough to see traffic clearly, but the cabin still feels calm and controlled. Lexus interiors also age well when they've been cared for. In a clean GX, the switches still feel solid, the materials still feel quality, and you don't get that loose, creaky vibe that some used luxury SUVs develop. Close the door and it shuts with that heavy muted Lexus thud, like the cabin is sealed off from the world. That feeling alone is why people love these. Under the hood, the GX460 uses a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, and for long-term ownership, this is exactly what you want. No turbo complexity, no high-stress small engine, just smooth, proven V8 power that's been around long enough to earn trust. The GX pulls away with effortless strength, and the power delivery is calm and predictable. On the highway, it settles into a relaxed cruise, and you can tell the drivetrain isn't working hard. That not stressed feeling matters if you're planning to keep the SUV for high mileage. On the road, the GX drives like a real body-on-frame SUV, because that's what it is. It's not a sports SUV, and it doesn't pretend to be. What you get instead is stability, confidence, and the ability to handle rough roads without feeling fragile. The suspension is tuned more for comfort than harsh off-road stiffness, so daily driving still feels smooth and premium. But when the pavement gets ugly, potholes, broken asphalt, winter roads, you can feel how sturdy the platform is. It's the kind of SUV that makes bad roads feel smaller. In everyday life, the GX is quietly practical too. There's plenty of room for passengers, and the cargo area is useful for luggage, shopping, or family gear. The ride height helps with visibility and gives you that commanding feel without being awkward to climb into. And unlike some modern luxury SUVs, the GX isn't overloaded with fragile, touch-everything systems that age poorly. It's more old-school and physical, which is actually a good thing when you're buying used and planning to keep it. From a buy used, drive forever perspective, the GX460 is exactly what you want if you like the idea of SUV durability, but you also want Lexus comfort, If you asked a mechanic, what's the family SUV you can buy used in 2025 that's actually smart, reliable, comfortable, and cheap to run? The 2021 Toyota Highlander Hybrid would be one of the strongest answers, because it's not trying to impress you with wild performance or flashy gimmicks. It's built around a simple idea Toyota has mastered: a proven hybrid system, conservative engineering, and a platform designed for real life. That's exactly the recipe for long-term ownership. From the outside, the 2021 Highlander Hybrid still looks modern in 2025. It has clean, contemporary styling, a confident stance, and the kind of design that ages well because it isn't overly dramatic. It looks like what most people actually want in a midsize SUV: practical, upscale enough, and ready for daily use. You want the premium version of the hybrid family SUV that lasts. The 2021 Lexus RX450h is exactly that. It takes the same basic idea, smooth, proven Lexus hybrid tech, but wraps it in a quieter, more comfortable cabin that still feels high-end in 2025. The RX450h is all about stress-free driving. Around town, it glides smoothly in traffic. The electric assist makes it feel effortless off the line, and the whole experience is calm and refined. Inside, the seats are soft and supportive, the build feels tight, and road noise stays low, so it still feels like a luxury SUV even as it gets older. For used buyers in 2025, the RX450h is a smart long-term pick because it combines comfort, efficiency, and Lexus durability in one package. If you asked a mechanic, which used SUV can you buy in 2025 that's basically impossible to kill? The 2021 Toyota 4Runner would be one of the first names out of their mouth. And that's not hype. This SUV has earned a reputation over years of real-world abuse. It's one of the last true old-school body-on-frame SUVs you can still buy used that isn't trying to be fancy, isn't overloaded with fragile tech, and isn't built around a high-strung drivetrain. The 4Runner's whole personality is simple: do the job, survive the miles, and keep going. From the outside, the 2021 4Runner still looks tough and purposeful in 2025. The shape is boxy, upright, and confident, like Toyota didn't care about chasing soft, trendy crossover styling. The front end has that aggressive truck look. The stance is wide and planted, and it just looks like something that belongs on rough roads. It's the kind of SUV that instantly tells people, yeah, this one's built differently. Open the door, and you'll notice something important. The 4Runner isn't trying to feel like a luxury lounge. It's built to be durable. The interior is straightforward, functional, and designed to handle real life. The seats are comfortable enough for long trips. The visibility is great because you sit high and the windows are big, and the cabin feels like it was made to last. In a well-kept 4Runner, you don't get that flimsy, worn-out feeling some SUVs develop. It still feels solid, like the structure underneath it is doing the heavy lifting. Under the hood, the 2021 4Runner uses a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated V6, and this is a huge part of why people keep these forever. No turbos, no complicated tricks, just a proven engine setup paired with a traditional automatic transmission. The power delivery is smooth and predictable. Around town, it feels strong and steady, and on the highway it settles in and just cruises. It's not built to be the fastest SUV on the road, but it is built to be one of the most dependable. Mechanics love this kind of drivetrain because it's conservative, mature, and not constantly working at the edge. On the road, the 4Runner feels like what it is: a real truck-based SUV. The ride is firm compared to soft crossovers, but it's also stable and confident, especially when the pavement gets rough or broken. And the big win is how it handles bad conditions. Snowy roads, gravel, potholes, uneven surfaces. This thing doesn't feel fragile. It feels like it was designed for that stuff. That's why so many people in harsh climates stick with the 4Runner year after year. In daily life, it's also more practical than people expect. You get a spacious rear seat, a big cargo area for groceries, luggage, or work gear, and a ride height that makes it easy to load and unload without bending too far. And because it's not overloaded with complicated luxury systems, it tends to age in a simpler way. Your long-term ownership is mostly about normal maintenance: fluids, brakes, tires, and taking care of the basics. From a buy used, drive forever perspective, the 2021 4Runner is the definition of a hidden gem. Even though it's popular, it's still underrated for how long it can last. If you want an SUV that can take high mileage, real-world roads, and years of ownership without turning into a repair nightmare, this is one of the safest bets you can make. If you asked a fleet manager, a road trip family, or anyone who regularly hauls people and cargo, what's one SUV you can buy used in 2025 that's basically built for huge mileage? The 2020 Chevrolet Suburban would come up for a reason. This thing isn't a trendy crossover. It's a full-size, long-wheelbase workhorse that's been doing the same job for decades. Carry a lot, tow a lot, drive a lot, and keep going. And that's exactly why it earns a spot in a hidden gem reliability list, when you choose the right year and the right example. First, let's talk presence. The 2020 Suburban still looks modern in 2025 because it's designed to be timeless. Big, clean lines, a confident front end, and that unmistakable "I have space for everything" silhouette. It doesn't try to look sporty or cute. It looks like a serious SUV that's meant to be used. And honestly, that's part of the appeal. There's no pretending here. The Suburban's whole identity is practicality with muscle. Step inside and the reason people love these becomes obvious. Space. Real space. Adults can actually sit comfortably in the third row, not just kids for short trips. The second row has room to breathe, and the cargo area behind the third row is still usable, meaning you can take passengers and luggage without playing trunk Tetris. In daily life, that matters. Whether it's family trips, airport runs, sports gear, work equipment, or just living a busy life, the Suburban does it with less stress than almost anything else on the road. Now here's the key point. Long-term reliability with a Suburban is mostly about buying smart and maintaining it like a grown-up. The 2020 model year offers proven, mainstream powertrains, and when these are serviced properly, they can go the distance. The driving experience also helps longevity. The Suburban isn't a high-strung vehicle. It's designed to cruise. On the highway, it settles into a relaxed rhythm, feels planted, and eats miles like it was built for it, because it was. That's why you see them in fleets, in big families, and in roles where vehicles get worked hard. They're built for long days and long roads. On the road, the Suburban feels big, because it is, but it's also surprisingly composed. The ride is tuned to be comfortable, especially on long trips. It smooths out rough pavement, stays stable at speed. If you asked a mechanic, what's the used luxury 3-row SUV in 2025 that gives you the most value without turning into a repair bill nightmare? The 2019 Acura MDX is one of the strongest answers. It's one of those SUVs that often gets overlooked because it doesn't chase flashy trends, but that's exactly why it works so well long-term. The MDX is built around a practical, proven formula: a strong V6, a well-sorted chassis, and a design focused on everyday usability, not gimmicks. From the outside, the 2019 MDX still looks sharp in 2025. It has a clean, upscale profile with Acura's signature front end, sleek headlights, and a design that feels modern without being overstyled. It looks like a premium family SUV, something you can pull up in anywhere and it still feels nice, not old. And that matters in the used market, because some luxury SUVs age badly the moment the lease ends. The MDX tends to age more gracefully. Step inside and the MDX hits a sweet spot. It feels more premium than mainstream 3-row SUVs, but it's still built for real life. The seats are comfortable, the driving position is natural, and you get space where it actually counts. The second row is roomy for adults, the third row works best for kids or shorter trips, and the cargo area handles groceries, strollers, luggage, sports gear, whatever a busy week throws at you. The cabin layout is also practical. It doesn't feel like everything is trapped behind fragile, confusing menus. For long-term ownership, that's a huge win. Under the hood, the 2019 MDX uses a 3.5-liter V6 that delivers smooth, confident power. It's strong enough to feel effortless when you're merging, passing, or climbing hills with passengers on board. And that effortless character is a big part of why vehicles last. The drivetrain doesn't feel stressed doing normal daily tasks. On the highway, the MDX settles into a relaxed cruise, and it's quiet enough that long trips don't wear you out. It feels like a premium SUV should, calm, stable, and composed. On the road, the MDX is one of the more driver-friendly three-row SUVs, but it doesn't sacrifice comfort. Steering is responsive without being heavy. The suspension is tuned to smooth out rough pavement, and the SUV feels planted and confident at speed. It's the kind of vehicle that makes daily driving feel easy, and it also feels stable and safe when you've got family on board. In other words, it's not trying to be a sports SUV, it's trying to be a great all-rounder, and it succeeds. From a buy used, drive forever point of view, the 2019 MDX makes sense because you're getting premium comfort and practicality without stepping into the more complicated, higher-risk luxury options. Ownership tends to be about keeping up with the basics, oil changes, fluids, brakes, tires, rather than constant expensive surprises. Find one with a clean service history, take care of it, and it can be the kind of SUV you keep for years while still enjoying that nice car feeling every time you get in. If you want a used luxury family SUV in 2025 that's genuinely worth the money, comfortable, capable, and built around proven engineering, the 2019 Acura MDX is one of the smartest hidden gems on this list. Next up, the compact premium SUV that many people overlook, but owners love for how easy it is to live with. The 2023 Acura RDX. If you want a premium SUV that feels modern in 2025 but still makes sense as a long-term used buy, the 2023 Acura RDX is a strong hidden gem. It's compact enough to be easy in city driving and parking, but it still feels upscale, roomy, and solid. Exactly what you want if you're buying used and planning to keep it for years. The RDX gives you a comfortable driving position, supportive seats, and a cabin that feels well put together. It's quiet at speed, smooth over rough roads, and practical for daily life with useful cargo space and real rear seat room. And unlike some luxury compact SUVs that feel fragile or overcomplicated, the RDX is designed to be lived with, simple, usable controls, and a platform that's been built in big numbers. In 2025, the 2023 RDX is the kind of SUV you buy when you want premium without the constant stress, modern feel, daily comfort, and a reputation for being a smart, dependable choice. If you asked a mechanic, what's the three-row SUV you can buy used in 2025 that's actually a safe bet for family life? The 2017 Honda Pilot would be one of the most sensible answers. It's not a flashy SUV, and it doesn't try to be trendy. But that's exactly why it works. The Pilot is built around real-world practicality and proven engineering, which is what you want when you're shopping used and thinking long-term. From the outside, the 2017 Pilot has a clean, simple look that still fits in modern traffic. It doesn't look outdated, and it doesn't look overly complicated. Step inside, and the biggest advantage hits immediately: space. The Pilot is genuinely useful. Comfortable seating for adults in the first two rows, a third row that actually works for kids or shorter trips, and a cargo area that makes family errands and road trips much easier. This is the kind of SUV that handles daily chaos without feeling cramped or annoying. Under the hood, most 2017 Pilots come with a 3.5-liter V6, and that drivetrain has been a long-time reason people buy Honda for the long run.